What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Martin with Bellavoro, and today we're here with Lithlabo, another Chinese power tool I got. This is a cordless pressure washer sprayer. Now I say sprayer because these don't generally spray with the power of a traditional pressure washer, but these are made to be portable. You can use them on the go, and I believe this one will siphon from a bucket, which is a plus if you're somewhere without plumbing and you need to, spray something down with water. So let's get this open, see what we got in here. So it was sent to me for free, by the way, full disclosure. Just let you guys know. So, I forget the price of this, so forgive me. But you can click the link down in the description to find that. Let's get the batteries out. So it looks like we got our traditional, or not traditional, but our typical Chinese power tool batteries that mimic Makita's design, not completely, because Makita has more connection points right here. So you can use Makita tools on these, but you cannot use these batteries on Makita tools or chargers. Make sense? But these batteries they're easy to find. You can use knockoff Makitas if you need more. Looks like this only comes with one battery, so it is charged though. Here's the unit itself. Nice little thing. Alright, put that aside. We've got, this is, I believe this is for the siphon. It's a little filter screen. Come on, get this opened up. Give me a second here. Alright, we got that plastic off the hose. So, very generous with this hose size. Let's say this thing is about 6 feet tall. So this looks like maybe a 10-foot hose. So we'll go ahead and get our connections hooked up to it. That's for the siphon, which we're going to be testing out. Okay, got that done. So what else we got here? We got a little foam cannon. See how well that works. This is so you can, like if you can fill a container up with chemicals, that you like a 2 liter bucket or a 32 ounce 2 liter bucket, 2 liter bottle, 32 ounce bottle. This will thread onto the top. You stick this inside, connect this, and you got chemical draw if you want to do some chemical cleaners. I don't know if I'm going to be using that. Got our multi-head sprayer, multi-pattern sprayer, all different degrees. I think that one, that's a soap nozzle, it's the shower nozzle. So already more innovative than the Ryobi I have. A little bit. This is it's another adapter of some sort. Where does this go on to? I think it does. If I can get in there. There we go. You just loosen that and you tighten it. It clamps down so it doesn't come loose. There you go. A battery charger. Some extra O-rings. Don't know what this is. I do not know what this is. Alright, let me take a look at the manual real quick just to make sure. Oh yeah, and our extension wand. If you need it, we'll use it. Alright. Okay, so this is called a water pipe clamp, but this basically, you clip this onto the side of your bucket and use this to clamp it down. That way it's not coming loose and things like that out of your bucket. That's cool. Let's get this thing assembled in the way that we are going to use it here today. I think this is just a push and twist type of system. Yep, easy enough. And then you push it in, you twist it, and you pull it back out, and it's locked in place. That way it won't come loose. Same with this. Easy enough. Put our battery on. This is brushless, which is nice. Now, yeah, you don't want to run it. You don't want to. It does work, but you don't want to run in the pump while it's dry. You damage the pump. Like obviously, it's gonna be a little dry as it's siphoning the water up, and then you want the water to get in there. Now I just gotta get this on here. figure that out. Okay, it's got a quick connect nozzle, so that's why I couldn't get it out. Couldn't get screwed on, so take that off. Now it has all plastic threads, so keep that in mind so you don't cross thread and break stuff. I'm trying not to, but it's not easy. I don't know where I'm going. Try to do it off camera. Okay, that's what I did wrong. This is also a quick connect. So quick connects all around. Get this plugged in. Hold on a second. Oh, wait. Maybe that's wrong. I'm so confused. Okay, I guess I'm stupid. This isn't even listed on the freaking parts list, so I don't know what the hell it's for. Because it doesn't connect up to this. So that's pretty stupid. Let's see if I can get it out now, hopefully. It actually goes on this part, the quick connect that goes into here. So what is this for? What does this connect to? Nothing? I don't know what that's for. It's so stupid. Alright, now let's get this connected. We're in. Now let's get this into the water bucket. I got a 3.5 gallon bucket here. Go in my backyard where my dogs are usually. I'm gonna stick that in there. And then use this so that it doesn't come floating up or whatever. How it's supposed to be? I don't feel like it goes that way. I think it goes this way. Yeah, that makes more sense. Hope. And then this kind of. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Now for the moment of truth. Let's see it in action. We'll put it on the 0 degree. Oh, it's got a little display in the back. You can see that. This paper off. It just says 1. What's this do? -1, 1, 2, 3. Is that the pressure? Oh yeah, there we go. Alright, that's got some pressure to it. Alright, switch to the 15 degree. That is on the highest setting. Highest setting pressure wise. 25. Shower, or this 40. Shower head. Too high pressure for the shower head. Let's go to -1, the lower setting. Oh, that's not the shower head, that's the soap head. That's the shower head. That's pretty cool. And the soap is if you want to put the foam cannon on here. Contemplating if I want to test that out. You know what? Well, let's try it out. I'll go put some soap in it. Oh, and I found the piece this goes with. It was hiding in there, but this connects into there. So this this end goes. This goes to a water hose. I don't know where this goes. I'm so confused. Maybe I don't know what I'm doing. Maybe I don't know what these are for. Like this. Well, I guess this goes to a water hose and just connects in directly, but what does this do? What does this do? I don't know. Let me get the foam cannon filled up. Alright, let's put some basic car wash soap in here. This thing's pretty cool though. It's got like this little quarter turn type of deal. And let's get this O-ring on the back of here. Is it supposed to go up in here? I guess we'll find out. Yeah, probably. Yeah, we'll figure it out. I'm gonna put our foam cannon on. Okay, put it to max foam. See how well this works. Set the pressure on high. 2, 3. See how it is. It's not that great. I mean, it's better than nothing. Some soap there. And that's it. It goes through the soap pretty fast, so keep in mind. Take this off now. Get it off. And this is for, like, again, the chemical draw if you're going to do that. I'm not going to do that here. But, is this rotating? Oh, because it unlocked. Okay, unlocked now. Let's go to the shower setting. Try to rinse some of this stuff away. Oh, this is unlocked too. Goodness, alright. Pretty cool. That's how much water we use in this session, so you can blow through the water pretty quick, so be cautious of that. Alright, so my final thoughts of this. Well, it's cheaper than Ryobi and the other power tool brands. It seems to have similar power. It's not crazy like a corded pressure washer, but it's enough. Especially if you don't have access to a water source, live in an apartment and you're trying to wash something. If you can get a bucket of water, you can use this. Comes with this little washment too. I'm not going to clean my car with it. It takes way longer than just using a hose or a pressure washer, but I think these things are great if you don't have access to a hose. You can just siphon from a bucket. They're perfect for that. So I'll put a link in the description down below to it if you're interested in it. Other than that, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. And subscribe if you haven't already, and give the video a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. I'll see you all in the next video. Have a good one.